Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to complete the two-step verification on Telegram. First you need to open your Telegram application. Then at the bottom we are going to click on settings. Then let's choose privacy and security. Here we have two-step verification. It is turned off. We need to turn it on. Click there. Then here we want to set password. Let's enter the password. So we have entered the password. Let's click on the arrow icon here. Then let's retype password. We have retyped the password. Let's click on the arrow icon again. So you can create an optional hint for your password. Let's skip that. Then here they want us to add the email address. So this is the recovery email. Let's click on the arrow icon still. Here we need to add the 6-digit code which is sent to the email address we have added. Guys, after filling the code, everything will be verified. And that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.